Hello, one and all, and we are here again tackling some Pico challenges. I've been having a lot of fun doing these. So let's just try the next one. Log in, paste my password. I am in. Let's see what we got here. Let us tackle. These are getting less easy. I feel. Let's do this speeds and feeds. All right, it says there is something on my shop network running at this location, but I can't tell what it is. Can you? Okay, so let's copy this. I kind of look at the hints first. What language does a CNC machine use? What the heck is a CNC machine? CNC machine. What is a CNC machine? Numeric control, also computer numeric control, hence the name CNC, is the automated control of machining tools such as drills, lathes, mills, and 3D printers by means of a computer. Okay. So it's like a machine, like a mechanical thing. All right, let's see what this thing is. Okay, a lot of stuff. And looks like it's hanging. So I'm gonna kill that. So I'm not sure what the beginning of that looks like. But let's I think you can probably pipe that into a file. TXT. And it's gonna be hanging. Okay, so let me cut that. We could output TXT. What are you? You're just ASCII text. Okay, very good. I think you could do XF tool on that. Okay, it's 18 kilobytes. It's text, plain text. Line count is that. Word count is this. Okay. Let's look at the less output and see what the thing looks like. Okay, so it looks like it has like something at the beginning that. So these are probably some kind of instructions, and the first line is usually like, "Hey, do this," or what. Or this one looks kind of similar. I'm not too familiar with what the heck this is. Let's find out. Oh, let me quit out of that. I think I copied it though. Let's paste that in here. G-code explained. Okay, this is kind of what it looks like. Yeah. All right. So, yep, that looks like it, sort of. G-code is a programming language for CNC machines. Okay, G-code stands for geometric code. We use this language to tell a machine what to do or how to do something. The G-code commands instruct the machine where to move. Okay, so that's interesting. So these are effectively like these are sort of like instructions on like how to move a part. So if we can visualize this, maybe that'll give us the hint we're looking for. Visualize G-code viewer. I can drop a file. Okay, so let's do that. How do I do that? How do I copy this file to my clipboard in Linux on a different server? I don't know how to do that. So N. Okay. So I'm gonna say head N 500 output.txt. I will grab the first 500 lines. Are these? That's been copied. I will create a file. These 500 beautiful lines here. Fantastic. Now we were told the. Can we say skip 500 lines? I want tail. Tail help. Okay. These lines. Output the last num lines. I mean that's just math, right? I mean I could do math. Oh god, I could do math. Okay, so uh let's see the word count, or is it line count, right? Is it word count lines for output txt? So or is it exif tool? Wait, I think I saw this already. Line count, well, 1140. Okay. All right, I could do this. All right. Let's do math. Python command is print what is 148 minus 500. 648. Tail n 648 output. Hope this is it. And now, folks, I believe I have a file that is 1148 lines long. Thank you very much. Save this freaking thing. I hate xclip. There we go. I hate xclip. Um, oh my god. Look, what is this? Look at this insanity right here. Oh, this is a 3D printed. I'm getting a minor headache here, but anyway. Numerical NUM3R1 cow underscore roll C0NTR0L underscore E77499028. Submit the flag. Jesus. That was a headache and a half. Thank you, geocode files, for making my life just the worst. And also just this file being like, I think over 1,000 lines is the limit for this. So it's 1,100, so it's just annoying. Oh, but anyway, that was interesting. G code and 3D printing and all that good stuff. Anyway, folks, if this is the kind of content you enjoy, please make sure to like, subscribe, and do all the good things. And I'll see you next time. Take care.